Utegången kommer att visa vägen ut. Lägg märke till vart din närmaste nödutgång finns. Det kan vara alldeles bakom dig. Sen får du gärna använda elektronisk utrustning så länge flight mode är aktiverat under hela flygningen. Det här är en rökfri flygning, gäller naturligtvis också på toaletterna. Slutligen då så hoppas vi att du ska trivas och att du får en behaglig resa. We would like to summarize some of the safety information included in the safety on board card in your seat pocket. Always keep your seatbelts fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on, and for safety reasons we recommend that you keep your seatbelts fastened whenever seated. If oxygen is needed, a panel above you will open and the mask will appear. Your life vest is under your seat. The emergency exits in the aft of the wings and in the forward part of the cabin. They are all marked by exit signs. Light in the aisle will show you the way to the exit. And look for the nearest exit. It may be located right behind you. And you're welcome to use electronic equipment as long as flight mode is activated during the entire flight. This is a non-smoking flight and this includes lavatories. Finally, we wish you all a pleasant flight. Thank you.